Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the world of superfoods and their incredible benefits. Have you ever heard of Moringa Magic? If not, you're in for a treat because this superfood is about to change the way you think about nutrition. If not, you're in for a treat. Moringa Magic is not just a trend, it's a lifestyle choice that can significantly enhance your well-being. In a world where health is a top priority, Moringa Magic is here to make your life a whole lot better. Imagine a single supplement that can address multiple health concerns and boost your overall vitality. This incredible superfood is designed just for folks like you, packed with a wealth of nutrients in one powerful product. It's like having a multivitamin, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory all rolled into one. Let's dive into the 7 amazing benefits of Moringa Magic. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. First up, Moringa is nutrient-rich. It's loaded with essential vitamins like A, C, B1, B2, B3, B6 and folate. These vitamins are crucial for maintaining your energy levels, immune function, and overall health. And that's not all, it's also rich in magnesium, iron, calcium, phosphorus, zinc, and protein. These minerals support everything from bone health to muscle function. Imagine getting all that goodness in just one supplement. It's like a nutritional powerhouse that fits right into your daily routine. Before I continue, follow the link on the description to the official website where you can buy this magical supplement. Next, Moringa boasts some serious antioxidant properties. Packed with antioxidants such as quercetin and beta-carotene, it helps your body combat those pesky free radicals, supporting your overall health. Antioxidants are essential for preventing cellular damage and aging. Moving on, Moringa is a heart health booster. Studies have shown that it can support healthy cholesterol levels within normal ranges, promoting your heart's well-being. A healthy heart means a longer, more active life. And that's not all. Moringa supports healthy blood sugar levels within normal ranges too. This is particularly beneficial for those looking to manage their blood sugar levels naturally. This can be a game changer for managing your health. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with stable blood sugar levels. Moringa is also a digestive bliss. The fiber in Moringa aids digestion, and its natural antimicrobial properties promote gut health. A win-win for your digestive system. A healthy gut is the foundation of overall wellness. When it comes to weight management, Moringa Magic is your best friend. It can help you achieve and maintain a healthy weight by boosting your metabolism and reducing cravings. Imagine feeling full and satisfied while still losing weight. Men, listen up. Moringa supports prostate health with its healthy inflammatory response and high levels of zinc, essential for prostate function. This is crucial for maintaining male health as you age. Finally, Moringa helps to clean your body of the harmful chemicals and toxins accumulated from food, medications, alcohol, and environmental exposure. Your body will thank you for this detox. Imagine feeling lighter, more energetic, and healthier overall. So, why wait? Embrace the power of Moringa Magic and revolutionize your health today. It's time to take control of your well-being and make a positive change. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips and updates. Stay informed and stay healthy. See you next time. Until then, take care and keep thriving.